what we're working on today, what I'm teaching you is this phenomenal substance called chocolate ganache. It is the one primary recipe that you absolutely must have in your chocolate arsenal. You can create non-dairy ganaches. Yeah,
Can we just add bourbon instead of Grand Marnier?
you can. And you suddenly love bourbon and orange. Decide, because it's so fun to create your own ganache recipes, set it aside for several hours to infuse and get nice and flavorful.
We have to impress our boss. He said it is.
That's right.
It's cool to room temp bulk chocolates right now, bulk emulsions.
Right. Yeah.
Is there any way to save an emulsion that is already separated?
Does that make
Okay.
sense?
Yeah, thanks so much.
Which is why in these recipes, you've got the exact chocolates I use in proportion. So if you want to reach out to me in any kind of way about the recipes or anything that we've done today, please do contact me. I want everyone to be successful with everything that I've taught you, because it's so much fun to work with chocolate.